Hey guys, welcome back. I'm at Walmart. I came to do my Ibotta bonus. This morning I got a $1 wishbone bonus for when I redeem 12 offers. I'll get a $1 bonus. I know that there's a free Thanksgiving that Ibotta is offering if you download their extension on your laptop or computer. I couldn't figure out how to freaking do it because I'm not very computer smart. I didn't know how to do it, so I just gave up and I didn't even keep trying. So this is 12 rebates. I did redeem most of my rebates in my Publix haul this morning. I think I only need 5 left, but I am going to do 12 because I know a lot of people get bonuses for 12 offers. So I'm going to go through the store and show you all these items I'm getting and what coupons I'm using, and then we'll go over the final numbers whenever I get home. I'm going to grab one of these St. Ives facial scrubs for $4.44. I'm going to use this $1 off of one that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. That's going to leave me to pay $3.44. Ibotta's going to give me back $1, and then Shopkick is going to give me back 475 kicks or $1.90. It's just going to make this product 54 cents. I'm going to grab one of these Noxzema Classic Clean Facial Washes. These are $3.97. I'm going to use this $1 off of one that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. That's going to bring me down to $2.97. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for buying one. And then Shopkick is going to give me 475 kicks or $1.90, making the final cost of one of these just 7 cents. I'm going to grab a Tresemme shampoo and conditioner priced at $3.98. My total is going to be $7.96. I'm going to use this $5 off of two that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. That's going to leave me to pay $2.96. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for each one, making the final cost 96 cents for both, or about 48 cents each. I'm going to grab one of these poise pads at $4.68. I'm going to use this $2 off of one that came in the Sunday's Smart Source. That's going to leave me to pay $2.68 in the store. Ibotta's going to give me back $2 for buying one. I did scan this product on Shopkick, and it did qualify for 650 kicks back, which is $2.60. And then Fetch is going to give me back 1,200 points for spending 15 on Poise products, making this one item a $3.12 moneymaker, I believe. I'm going to grab these last two Icy Hot Dry Sprays. They're priced at $7.88. Two of them is going to cost me $15.76. I'm going to use this buy one get one free. That's going to take off the $7.88 for one, leave me to pay $7.88, and then I'm going to get back $3 on Ibotta for each one, making it a final cost of $1.88 for both, or 96 cents each. This is a better deal at CVS after you get the extra care buck back and the Ibotta rebate. So this is not a free deal, but it's a decent deal. I'm going to grab the Summer's Eve Active Wash. I scanned all the other ones that are around here, but the rebate is for this one. And then I'm going to pick up one of these Summer's Eve's Active Cleansing Cloths for $2.48. Together, this is going to cost me $6.72. I'm going to use the two of these $1 off of one. This is Active Cleansing Wash or Cleansing Cloth, which is the two items I'm getting. That's going to leave me to pay $4.72 in the store. Ibotta's going to give me back 50 cents for this product and $1 for this product. And then I'm going to get $1 bonus for buying one of each. That's going to make my final cost $2.22 for both, or $1.11 each. I'm going to grab one of these Suave detanglers at $2.94. I'm going to use this $1.50 off of one. I'll be left to pay $1.44. Shopkick is offering back 300 kicks or $1.20. That'll make my final cost 24 cents. There is an offer on Ibotta for $1 back, but I redeemed mine at Publix today. If it resets tomorrow, I'll go ahead and claim the $1, and it'll be an 86 cent moneymaker. No, a 76 cent moneymaker if that Ibotta rebate resets for me. So Suave Men 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner are priced at $2.94 in Walmart. I'm going to pick up one of the Citrus Rush and the Ocean Charge. Swagbucks is offering 200 kicks back for each cent, so a total of 400. So $2.94 times 2 is going to bring me to $5.88. I'm going to use two of these $1.50 off of one that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. That's going to take off $3, leave me to pay $2.88. I'm going to get back $1 for each one on Ibotta, bringing me down to 88 cents. And then Shopkick is going to give me back 400 kicks or $1.60, making these a 72 cent moneymaker. I was in the clearance section and I found two of these Rimmel matte foundations. I scanned the barcode on both of them, and I do have a rebate for $2.60 back. So I'm going to pick up two because it's a limit of two, and that'll make them a 20 cent moneymaker. I'm in the Hallmark cards section, and this store has some 47-cent cards. I was here the other day when I had a buy two get a $2 back, and I know for sure that this one attaches, but my Ibotta app is being slow right now, so I'm going to walk around and scan these three and see which two attach to the rebate. Both of these are going to cost me 96 cents. I have a rebate for $1 back when I buy two, making these a 4-cent moneymaker. Last item I'm going to pick up from my Ibotta haul, I'm going to grab one of these Airwick Oil Refills, a 2-count, and then I'm going to grab two of these oil refills that come with a warmer for $2.97. Those three products are going to total me $10.82. I'm going to use this $2 off of a a twin refill, and then two of these $1.50 off of the Airwick starter kits. That's going to take off $5, leaving me to pay $5.82. I'm going to get back $1.50 for each one on Ibotta. So it's going to total me $4.50 back. It's going to leave me with a cost of $1.32. But I have a fetch offer for when I buy $10 in oil refills. They're going to give me back 2,000 points. That'll make all three products a 68-cent moneymaker if that rebate goes through on a fetch, because it does say for oil refills. But on here it says a bonus warmer. So is it technically an oil refill? I don't know. So I'll let you guys know at the end whenever I submit a receipt and see if I get those 2,000 points back. But if this is a moneymaker, that's awesome, because I love these to make my house smell good. Okay guys, this is everything I'm picking up from my Ibotta haul. These are all of the coupons I'm using. Actually, I'm not using this one. I was looking for the Johnson bar soap. It would have been free, but my store's out. So not this coupon. But all of these coupons I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and go to the register and cash out, and we'll go over all the numbers whenever I get home. I'm back from Walmart. I did make a mistake at the register. I forgot to scan my Suave Men coupons. That was $3, $1.50 for each one, but I was able to submit for $1.50 on the new coupons.com website. So instead of losing out on $3, I only lost out on one. And then you don't see the Icy Hot here because at the register, my buy one get one free wasn't scanning at the self-checkout, and the cashier told me I had to wait for the supervisor. And you guys know how long you can wait at Walmart, so I just voided those off the receipt, but I did leave the breakdown in the video in case you guys want to do that. Here's one of the Airwick Warmers at $2.97 with a $1.50 off coupon. The second one, $2.97 with a $1.50 off coupon. The twin refill for $4.88 with a $2 coupon. St. Ives scrub at $4.44, $1 came off. Noxzema at $3.97, the $1 came off. The Summer's Eve cloth, $2.41, the $1 came off. The two Icy Hot at $7.88. My coupon didn't go through, so I voided those at the bottom, like I mentioned. They're down there. The Suave 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 mints, $2.94 each. I did forget to scan those coupons, so that doesn't show underneath the product. The Summer's Eve wash, which is this one right here, for $4.24 with the $1 off. The Poise pads for $4.68 with the $2 off. The Tresemme 2-in-1 and then the Tresemme conditioner, $3.98 each. The $5 came off of the two. The Suave Apple Detangler, $2.94. $1.50 came off. The Rimmel Foundations, $2.50 each. And then all three birthday cards did attach to the rebate in store, so I just picked up two. Like I mentioned, it was a 4-cent moneymaker where I avoided the Icy Hots. Subtotal was $35.85. If I had scanned those $2.50 off of the Suave Men, my subtotal would have been $32.85. But like I mentioned, I was able to claim $1.50 back on the coupons.com website. With my tax, the total was $40.65. I got back $22.20 on Ibotta, and today my Suave Kids rebate did reset, so I got an extra $1 back, which makes my total on Ibotta $23.20. I claimed $1.50 on coupons.com. Fetch Rewards gave me back $3.55. 1,200 points for the Poise and 2,000 points for the Airwick. And then on Shopkick, I got $9.20. 2,300 kicks. The way that you would figure that out is 250 kicks equals $1. So it's 2,300 times 0.004, and that's how I get the 920. Total on rebates equals $37.45. That makes all of these items a $1.60 moneymaker. After my tax, I paid $3.20 for all of these items. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.